Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get more storage space in Heartopia. You are going to visit Kaching here, and you're going to want to talk to Kaching. Go to the general store and scroll down and you'll see this, backpack or storage expansion. So for the backpack expansion, you will need to select the one you want. 10 of the capacity will cost you 25 stars. There's this one which is on sale right now, so I'm just going to purchase it. And basically, I have more space in my warehouse as well. You are able to get more here for your backpack or warehouse. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!